Yo people, I'm Katie. This is Autumn. Say your name. Autumn. And your hair, which is, I did this for her. Look at her hair, everybody. She looks good, doesn't she? Rawr, rawr. Anyway, we're gonna do our imitation. My microphone is missing, so we're just gonna do our imitation of Hannah Montana. Ready? Then you want it.
Hannah Montana fans.
Oh yeah, no, you said Justin Bieber fans.
No, I said Hannah Montana fans.
No, you said Justin Bieber. Anyway, people, I'm Katie. I want to explain something. Tessa posted that video on my site about her liking Derek. So don't people think that I'm really mean because I didn't.
What video?
The one where I said she likes Derek and she admitted it. So yeah, just ask him out. Ask her out, Derek. And okay, bye-bye. I'm not deleting this one, Tessa. So, yo, I'm Katie. This is Autumn. She's not a blonde anymore. Ooh. By the way, yes, I am a devil, and I love this mask. I got it in Italy. 12 euros.
I am a tiger hand, though.
$15. Bye, people.
No, that's not my tiger hand.
All right, say bye to the people. Say bye to the people. Bye-bye.